In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up stop loss and take profit on Tradovate. Trading effectively often hinges on managing risks smartly, and that's why configuring stop loss and take profit levels is crucial. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this. First things first, you need to open Tradovate on your chart or your DOM, which stands for depth of market. This is your starting point for any trade management configuration you wish to execute. Make sure everything is correctly loaded and ready to go before moving on to the next step. Next, you're looking for the gear icon that sits right next to ATM, which stands for Advanced Trade Management. Clicking on this icon opens up a dialog box that gives you several options. This is essentially where you'll configure your stop loss and take profit settings. Once you've got the dialog box open, you need to make a choice. Do you want to enable take profit and stop loss, take profit only, or perhaps stop loss only? These options let you tailor your risk management approach to suit your specific trading strategy. Choose the configuration that aligns best with your goals. After you've made your selection, the next step is to enter your desired values for stop loss and take profit. These can be specified in ticks or as a price level. If you're dealing with large tick values greater than 24 ticks, you might find it easier to type them directly into the box using your keyboard. This will save you time and help minimize errors. Now that you've set your values, it's time to choose the type of stop loss you want under the ATM stop loss types. Options here include fixed stop, stop limit, trailing stop, auto break even, or even auto trail. You could also choose a combination of these types. Each has its unique perks designed to help you navigate market fluctuations effectively. Be sure you understand what each option offers and select the one that best fits your trading needs. After all these configurations, you'll want to save your setup. This is a crucial step because you might want to reuse this configuration in the future. Saving it means you won't have to go through all these steps again the next time you're ready to trade. Finally, when you place your main order, it's reassuring to know that Tradovate will automatically attach the stop loss and take profit orders as you've defined them in your ATM configuration. This automation ensures that your trade is managed according to your specified criteria, even if you're not watching the market closely. And there you have it, an essential guide to setting up stop loss and take profit on Tradovate. Doing this right can protect your capital and help you trade with more confidence. Make sure you double check all your settings before executing any trades, and happy trading.